The indicator that you see on the screen, this is the magnet bands that are especially developed for the gold and Bitcoin only for the 1 minute trading. Yes, this is just for 1 minute if you are a gold trader and if you are a Bitcoin trader. And first of all, listen to me very carefully that this indicator is not for everyone. This is for only those traders who are aggressive and who understand the worth of this indicator, because this indicator will not be provided to everyone. So, first of all, if you want to book the lifetime version after understanding this indicator behavior completely, then you can only contact on Telegram, and email links are given in the description of this video. Okay, now I will tell you some rules to trade this indicator. This is my private indicator, and for this, you also need to get the lifetime access from me. So that's why you need to contact on Telegram or through email. But you need to understand that how this indicator works, because there are certain rules to use that indicator. Okay, so first of all, just look at this signal that we have received on Bitcoin, 1 minute. That was the swing top, and now you can see that the candle was outside the bands. Okay, we have to do nothing until unless the price is outside the band. Okay, wait for the market to enter with the bearish candle proper, and then you can go for a short position. You can see it down. Okay, similarly, you can see now this green signal is appeared when the price was out of the boundary of the band. Do nothing, wait for the market to come inside. And the best way, like if you can just use a small support and resistance, and you see a breakout is very important here, and then you can see the price went up. Okay, so if we go next, then what you see, this is the signal exactly from the band. Do not take that one. Okay, so this is the signal exactly from the band. Do not take that one. Okay, now just look at this signal. This signal was outside the band. Wait for the market to come in, and when the price came in, so what happened? You see a downfall in the market. Okay, I can show you that how this indicator works. Okay, now just look at this signal when the price came in. Okay, so this signal. Okay, now just look at this. These signals are exactly at the band. We will not do anything. Okay, so you can see the price came inside, and then you got a scalping chance into sell, and this is working very perfect. So do not worry about these signals that are in a row, because they are just pointing you the over bought levels for the market, but you need to wait for the proper entry inside the bands. Okay, okay, now I can show you more that this indicator is simply a magic, because you will not believe that how this indicator works. Okay, now you can see that this was the entry outside the band. Let the market come in, and then you see that on Friday, Bitcoin simply went into the upward direction. Now I can show you more signals. Okay, okay, even this signal does not entered outside the boundary of the band, but still you can see that this is the winning signal again. Okay, if we go back, and I can show you. Okay, now you can see this is the outside signals. Wait, and now you can see the market entered inside completely. Now you see a very good upward side. Okay, what is the stop loss? Stop loss is very simple. Now you can see these signals were coming outside. Okay, this is the stop loss. Okay, so that's why I always say wait for the breakout, because here we have a resistance. So if you wait for the breakout, this is not your stop loss, this one. Okay, now you can see it entered and it has done a breakout, because if you just see here, this was the small resistance. Yes, a breakout. So what is your stop loss? If the price reverse back again, so you will simply exit your trade. Okay, but I'm just showing you each and everything, because you are losing nothing and you are winning so much. Okay, now just look at this sell signal. Price came inside, and now just look at the long bearish rally. Okay, okay, now just look at this. Okay, now the price went inside, just see a long rally, and sometimes I have seen that the market exactly target the band to band trading. Okay, even I will show you the gold examples. You can see the price was outside the band. Wait for the price to come in. Here we have a breakout, and then you can see the price simply followed the next direction. So okay, so, sorry. Okay, so let me attach this indicator again. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so overall, this indicator is very perfect, and this is just for Bitcoin and gold 1 minute. You will not use it on any other asset. Now I'm going to take you towards the gold chart. Okay, now you can see this is the close that has happened on it, and you can see we do not have any proper breakout. So that is why, because the breakout means that This is the resistance. At least the price should break the resistance, but it's not breaking, so we will not take the trade in that case. Otherwise, now I show the previous signals. Okay, now look at this. Price was coming outside, then you got inside, you got a very good scalping chance. Price was outside when it came in. Okay, now might be this is my zoom out picture. Now you can see this is the very good scalping chance here. Okay, even this was outside when it came in, you can see very good scalping chance. Okay, I can show you more because this is the extra. Okay, now you can see this is the very good sell ride. This is the very good sell ride on gold. You can see this is the very good bullish ride, and it never repaints. Once the signal get fixed, there is no repainting. You can see gold. It's working very nice with that indicator. You can see simply the price is up. Okay, and now look at this one. The price simply went up. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now why this strategy saves you: when the price is outside the band, do not take the trade, let it come inside, because now the things are liquidated. Just see the move, it's again down. Okay, so this is what I have worked on. Okay, now you can see it was outside, price came in, you got a very good scalping chance. Okay, price was outside, it came in, made a breakout, and then you can see good scalping chance. Okay, so look at this. Price was outside the band, waited, let it come in. You got a very good bullish ride here. Okay, so you can see everything, that how much it's winning, how much it's losing. You can see. Okay, look, it is exactly, we don't have a proper breakout here. You can see this was a sport. So if the price was breaking that area, it means that it was turning bearish. Okay, now you can see here we have a bearish ride. Okay, if we go here, you can see the price was reversed when it came inside and made the breakout. Okay, even if you don't wait for the breakout, then if you are going to trade it with the stop loss, then you will be completely fine. You can see it came inside, then you see a bullish ride. Okay, just look at this. When it came inside, then price is down. Okay, now you can see it came inside, the price is down. Okay, now just imagine that, have you seen ever such type of indicator that is working on the 1 minute with the certain conditions? Look, you don't need to worry about these buying signals, because the price does not came inside the band, and now you can see the bullish ride when it came inside. Okay, so this is what I have worked it on. Okay, now just look at this. Okay, when you see just a couple of signals are rejected, then immediately mark the resistance. Like for example, this is the resistance. Okay, now the price does not break that, the next signal does not break the previous resistance. Okay, so mark the next one, mark the next one. Okay, so until unless you don't have a breakthrough, look, you cannot go for that signal. Okay, so simple, because the price is trending into that direction. That is why when you see one-sided market, then you need to wait for the breakout. Okay, you can see down after the sell signal, you can see up after the buy signal. Okay, now what I talk about the breakout, look, this is the breakout. Look, the price breakout, and then you can see almost targeted the next band. Okay, so when you see one-sided directional market, you will do that. Okay, now you can see bullish chance, and you can see the sell ride. So this is what we have done, and almost I have shown you all the signals. You can see they are very good. Okay, very good. And you can see they are providing you swing rides, they are providing you scalping chance, and the good thing that all of the things are on 1 minute. Okay, so this indicator is very well optimized on the 1 minute. I will I will not recommend the other assets. Yes, they can be good, but I should be honest with you that I have not optimized this indicator for the other assets. So you can see it's working. It's working. Like I'm just going to show you the currency pairs. You can see the same logic, but it's well optimized for the gold and the Bitcoin. Okay, even I can show you on Bank Nifty. Okay, so you can see this is a trending market. This was the good finding. This is the good finding, but it's very well optimized for the Bitcoin and the gold. And so this is how we need to do. Like if we talk about today, the price entered inside and sell is running, and you can see the Bitcoin is going down. So if you want to book the lifetime version of the magnet bands indicator for gold and Bitcoin 1 minute, then you can contact on Telegram and the email. The links are in the description. Thank you.